Our solar system has a sun, and it's the source of life for everyone. Then there are 8 planets spinning around that orbit round the sun again. The closest planet, Mercury, is made of iron and has no seas. Then there's our sister planet, her name is Venus, and she's the same size as the Earth. Then Earth appears watery blue, the home of humans and animals too. Then there's the rocky red planet Mars, with his volcanoes and many storms. Then Jupiter, the massive one, a gas giant, might have been a star. And Saturn is a gas giant too, with rings of ice and its many moons. Uranus looks greenish blue, 11 rings, icy methane hue. And Neptune is a gas giant as well, a stormy planet so far from view. This is our soul.